Happy Watsons! Welcome back to another episode of Cuba.Try.Test. I'm Natalie Chai and today we're going to talk about a series of skincare from Mamonde. The products we're going to be talking about today is the Rose Water Toner, the Red Energy Recovery Serum, as well as the Blue Chamomile Soothing Repair Cream. First off, we're going to talk about the Mamonde's most iconic product, which is the Rose Water Toner. This rose water toner is not like any other water toners because most of the products out there actually use purified water. But what this uses is that it uses 90.97% of rose water extracted from the damask roses. And these are 100% organic damask roses. And you know that it's safe for you to use this product because this is halal certified by Jakim. And what that means is that it has no animal ingredients, no mineral oils, and no skin harming ingredients as well. Everybody needs to use toners in your skincare routine because what it does is that it helps you rehydrate your skin after you wash it. So you won't have that like stretchy feeling. So the first step you use is not your serum, it's not your moisturizer, it is a toner, and this is actually one of the better toners. And this is the product that I would suggest that you try out if you have sensitive skin because it's very gentle for your skin. There's a lot of ways to use this product. So of course you can also use this normally like how I did. You pour it out and then you rub it a bit and then you pat it on your face like that. The other recommended way that we would suggest you to use this is take a cotton pad, pour it in, jangan kedekut, okay? Don't be kedekut. Hold your cotton pad like this and then you swipe all over. Make sure every inch of your face gets the product. Don't forget your neck, my sisters. It is a very efficient way to remove your dead skin cells, and that is my skin just feels very rejuvenated. So I would say this is an amazing product. My skin really feels very supple, as you can tell. Ada bouncy dah. Next up, we're talking about the Red Energy Recovery Serum. I know that they did a big launch here in Malaysia somewhere 2 years ago. This product contains blossoming energy for smooth and radiant skin. So this will be able to penetrate into the barriers of your skin and hydrate it from deep within, not just on the surface. So if you're looking for a really healthy glow, this is what you want to try out. So this is developed with an 8-free formula, which means that it's free from animal derivatives, mineral oils, and other skin harming ingredients. So this is very suitable for your skin. So now let's try it out. So the thing about Mamonde products is that I realized from the toner and this serum is that they all only have a very faint but calming scent. I like to use 2 pumps. I rub it a bit, then I apply. Okay, pat it in. This also has antioxidants in it, which means that it prevents your skin from aging really quickly. It doesn't stop it, but it prevents your skin from aging really quickly and is absolutely hydrating. What do you think? And it's said that if you consistently use it for 14 days, you will get really supple, brighter and glowing skin from within. The moment you have amazing skin, you don't even need a lot of makeup after that. Your skin will just glow from within. So your final step is the cream. This is the Blue Chamomile Soothing Repair Cream, and what it does is that it helps lock in all that moisture that you have already given from the toner and the Red Energy Recovery Serum. It's also definitely made for skin that it's very sensitive, but if you don't have sensitive skin, it's perfect for you to use as well. Redness relief, skin dryness relief, overall satisfaction. So when you reach out for this product, you know exactly what you are getting. So this contains 2 times azelin from like Blue Chamomile. So when they extract the product, right, the extract is actually like in blue liquid. That's why they call it a Blue Chamomile Soothing Cream. This moisturizes your face up to 72 hours and also has 5 types of hyaluronic acid, which is very good for your skin. Hyaluronic acid is something that your skin actually needs to like sort of help maintain its youth, its like bounciness and everything like that. I have a lot of redness under my chin first. Target it here, then I'll spread it out. And then I have like redness under my nose as well. So as I concentrate here, then I try to spread it out all over. This Mamonde Blue Chamomile Soothing Repair Cream what it does is that it actually is able to penetrate into the deep layers of your skin. It helps hydrate your skin from deep within because it's trying to solve a problem, right? It's not really just making your skin glow, it's not a superficial product where it just makes your skin glow on the outside, but what it does is that it helps fixes that problem in within, and that's what you want to have long-lasting glowing skin. People with really sensitive skin can really use this. Remember, when you apply, pull your skin, okay? Don't forget the neck. Pull it up. Press for you, huh? My conclusion for this product is that it really feels very moisturizing, very hydrating. It's as if it's actually building the hydration from the steps from earlier on when we did the rose water toner. The rose water toner had a really light consistency, which made sure that my skin was very hydrated. And then this one had like a mid gel-like consistency, which absorbed into the skin really quickly. And last but not least, the blue chamomile soothing repair cream was amazing to lock everything in, and now you can feel that your skin, it feels very supple, and that's what you want at the end of the day. You just want to feel like, yes, I've completed my skincare routine. You can easily get these products from any Watsons store and Watsons online. Alright, that's all the time we have for today. I had lots of fun trying out these products, and if you guys have any products that you want me to try, leave it down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video maybe. Bye!